times when you used to get 15 GB free storage while signing up for a new account on Google? Well, now the company appears to be altering the deal by measly offering 5 GB. Welcome to GadInsider, your place to get the latest tech news. Now you won't get any extra storage unless you link and verify your phone number. In a screenshot shared, Google attributes the change to make sure storage is added only once per person. However, it's easy to connect the dots and figure out that this change is brought upon us because of the current memory and storage crunch. That isn't the only evidence, as a Google support page recently updated its language on free storage. What previously promised a full 15 GB when creating an account now says up to 15 GB. Wayback Machine archives reveal that Google changed its wording sometime between February 4th and March 23rd. In a statement, a Google spokesperson described the change as a test. He said, "We're testing a new storage policy for new accounts created in select regions that'll help us continue to provide a high-quality storage service to our users while encouraging users to improve their account security and data recovery." Google's description of the change as a regional test explains why some commenters on Reddit said they're still able to get 15 GB of free storage without linking a number. This won't change much for most people. In most cases, you have no choice but to link a phone number when creating a new Google account, and that was the case even before this change. Sources note that there are a few exceptions, including when signing up on an Android device without a SIM card. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.